Hello, my name is Hannah Furness, and today I'm going to be presenting on the soils of urban agriculture, how urban soils are transformed into workable agricultural land. Urban soils tend to be very degraded due to compaction and the removal of topsoil due to, due to construction and other urbanization. This results in very poor physical and chemical properties. Those include a lack of infiltration and low organic matter, both of which can lead to erosion and lack of nutrients for plants to grow. These soils are most likely deficient in many plant nutrients. For urban soil to be used for agriculture, they must be substantially improved before any profitable or nutrient-dense food can be raised. Improving urban soils can have many, many benefits, including increased carbon sequestration, reduced storm water runoff, and improved water holding capacity, all which decrease erosion and increase nutrient density. They improve soils by using compost, manure, improved biosolids, and lawn-based mulches, or any combination of those, and all of which can improve soil quality, fertility, and tilth. A farm in New Orleans known as Grow Dat Youth Farm was started in 2011. It was a former golf course in New Orleans City Park that has been transformed into the city's biggest urban farm. It is a 7-acre farm that teaches local youth how to sustainably grow fruits and vegetables. The crops grown there are sold to CSAs, local restaurants, and markets. They also donate part of their harvest to neighborhoods lacking access to healthy, fresh foods. This former golf course, which was abandoned before Hurricane Katrina, was comprised mostly of very sandy and mostly clay soils, which are not very good for growing fruits and vegetables. The team decided they were going to improve the soil by adding organic matter, which included adding coffee grounds, adding processed dry cane sugar, and even chicken manure. And they also used crop rotation by adding minerals back into the earth. They use crop rotation to add minerals back into the earth. The farm is now able to grow over 50 varieties of fruits and vegetables. Since they have been able to improve their land so much, they are able to focus more on reaching out to more communities. They have connections with 9 different local schools to help kids in those schools to learn different leadership skills and how to grow their own food. They're also able to have workshops, exercise classes, and even cooking classes to help kids in poor communities take these skills home, and they're also able to provide food to those kids to take home. They have also focused on an overall goal of theirs that they call food justice, as they believe that underprivileged communities, which they believe is to provide underprivileged communities with better, fresher food and teach those communities how to grow their own food so that they can become more self-sufficient. These are my sources.